What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, man, back on our video, and today we're gonna be doing a quick little overview over the mids I picked up recently. I want to get you guys' opinion on these sneakers. I want to figure out why they keep selling out. Why is there so much hype around this sneaker? I got a couple of answers to those questions, but I want to engage with the Vintage Squad and see how y'all feel about these Air Jordan 1 mids that I picked up recently, man. But if you are new to the channel, right now what I need you guys to do is subscribe right now to the channel. Ring notification bell for your boys so you never miss another video that drops on the channel. And if you don't mind, please head over to IG, give your boy a follow at DeVintage World. The link will be down below in the description box, and go ahead and follow this up with a like on the video to go for every video. Is 300 likes. You guys already know the likes really help the videos surface to other people. It helps push the content, and I'll be greatly appreciated if you guys did that for your boy DeVintage. So all that being said, let's jump right into this Air Jordan 1 mid that I picked up a couple of days ago, man. Let's get it. Here you have it, the Air Jordan 1 mid Chicago's. This sneaker right here, I don't know what the hype is around it. You know, probably the Chicago name, but you know, mids do not sell out a lot. But these right here, every time they're restocked on the sneakers app, they always sell out instantly, man. I know it's an easy customization to go to, like a Chicago mid. You know, the Chicago ones are going for crazy amounts of price, so this probably is the next best route to get. This is a shoe I was really eyeing for a long time, and when I went to go pick up my Air Jordan 13 Flints, they had these joints sitting. I'm like, bro, I can't believe they sitting in the mall. But if you guys remember, a couple of months ago, I was telling you guys, there's gonna be a lot of sneakers that's sitting in the stores. You gotta go around, call around, and see what they have, man. They have some DMP 6s sitting. Some also have the Air Jordan 5 Fire Reds. And here in San Antonio, they still had the Cinder 350 sitting, man. But that wasn't allowing everybody to grab them. If you hit on a pair of the Flint 13s, they were allowing you to pick up a pair of those Cinders, which I didn't hit at that mall. I was like, bro, I wish I would have hit at that mall so I can get that Cinder, man. I feel like the Cinders are very slept on, and the value of them things will definitely go up in the next couple months, man. Just watch it. And for me, Air Jordan 1s have been the thing I've been eyeing the most this year. It's a whole bunch of dope Air Jordan 1s coming out this year, and I'm trying to hop on every single one. And when I had picked these joints up from the mall, when I picked up my Flints, it made me think, like, man, I should drop a video to talk about this sneaker. Why are they so hyped up? Why do they keep selling out? Is it only because it is a Chicago? And I wanted to interact with you guys about the situation behind these sneakers. As you guys do know, the Last Dance documentary finally ended, and I feel like after each episode that they dropped, a sneaker was going up in price, man. As you guys seen, the Chicago's went up to like $2,000 plus. The breads even went up almost like $300-400, and you had a whole bunch of different Air Jordan 1s just hiking price. And overall, when the show was over, you start seeing just a number of OG colorways go for a crazy amounts of prices on StockX, GOAT, and stuff like that. And I was telling you guys in the vlog that I did, if you do not got the money to buy you a Chicago high, go and get these joints right here, man. That's why I really believe these things are selling out. Those Chicago ones are super hard to get, and who knows when Jordan Bread's gonna bring that shoe back out. It's always a way to get around spending those crazy amounts of prices, just like the Air Jordan 1 High Travis Scott. We are now getting a Mocha Air Jordan 1 that's supposed to be released in this month, and they're not the same shoe as the Travis Scott, but it's kind of similar. You got that Mocha vibe. We don't get a lot of Air Jordan 1s or a lot of Air Jordans in general with that brown, that Mocha colorway, and that's really one of the main reasons why I want to go get those Air Jordan 1 High Travis Scotts. But now we getting these coming out, you know what I'm saying, the Mocha joints. Do I have to go get the Travis Scotts? Not really. They got some of my favorite colors on the Mochas that's dropping this month, the brown, the black, and the white, and I feel like the color blocking is on point. So you guys let me know how you feel about those Air Jordan 1s as well down below. So with this video, man, I really want to talk to you guys about, you know, why are these so hyped up, and that goes for any Air Jordan 1 in general, man. It's super hard to get, even on release days. We seen with the Court Purple 2.0s, we seen with the Pine Green 2.0s, and just a number of different Air Jordan 1s this year that were hard to get. Everybody wants to get Air Jordan 1s now, and even talking to some of my homeboys, they tell me, like, back in the day, Air Jordan 1s was nothing to go and grab, but as you can see today, people are copping mids. These things are going for a little money, and it's just a little hype surrounding every single Air Jordan 1 we have seen release in the past couple years, man. So, man, so a quick review for this sneaker, man. As you can see, we have that Black Wings logo. Just pretty much, if you're looking at it from right here, it looks like a Chicago one. The only thing that throws it off is the black toe box right here. The quality is not too crazy on the sneaker, but it is a fire colorway. The color blocking is very nice. I'm really digging it. And as you can see on the tongue, got the Jumpman and the Air right under it, man. All white tongue, as you can see, black laces. It didn't come with any extra laces, but I can definitely see myself throwing some white laces in these joint to make it pop a lot more. Checking out the outsole right here, as you can see, all black, regular Air Jordan 1 track pad. And on the inside, you get a cardboard shoe tree, nothing fancy, nothing special, and then a black insole with that white Jumpman down below. So cool question for the Vintage Squad, man. Should I get these customized? Should I make this like an actual Air Jordan 1 Chicago mid, or should I just keep it like this, man? Just let me know something down below. Let's get some conversation. Let's get some discussion going on down below in the comment section. Checking out the other shoe right here. Nothing different from the other one. Like I said, very dope shoe. I'm glad I added to the collection. And this is something I was eyeing for a little bit, but I always wonder, why is these sneakers always selling out? Why is the hype behind it? It's the Air Jordan 1 mid at the end of the day. So let me know something down below in the comment section. I appreciate everybody for tuning into this video. If you have not hit the like button yet, man, hit that like button for your boy. Subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already, man. We're so close to that big 30K. It's a huge accomplishment for me, and I appreciate everybody that's been supporting the channel. If you don't mind, please head over to IG, give your boy a follow at DeVintage World. It'll be linked down below in the description box. And I'm gonna go ahead and bless you guys with an on feet over these Air Jordan 1 Chicagos. So let's get right to it.